Welcome back. This is Living in Northeast LA with me, Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Munoz. I do buyers, property tours, and this series is Silver Lake, so please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I bring open house previews to you so you can watch from far. If you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, you can always get in touch with me here. Our first home is a Spanish style home. It was built in 1940. This home was featured in Architectural Digest. It's beautiful, amazing home. I'll let you enjoy the tour, but let me give you the quick details. Its listed price is $3,899,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 1 half bath. It has 2,883 square feet of living space. There is a swimming pool, jacuzzi. There's a deck outside, perfect for entertaining. We love this house. We had to take a second look, so we're getting closer to making a final decision on purchasing a home for my buyers here in Silver Lake, Los Angeles. So go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, you can always get in touch with me. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the property tour, and I'll see you at house number 2. Locking up the wall. Okay, so we're off to house number 2 in Silver Lake. It's 2311 Effie Street, LA 90026. This home is in a cul-de-sac. It's brand new 2023 construction. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,351 square feet of living space. It's only been on the market for 1 day, so we were able to get in early and preview this gorgeous house. This home's listed price is $3,995,000. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy the property tour. If you have any questions about this house or house number 1, you can always get in touch with me. Thanks for watching, and this is Living in Northeast LA.